how to import SIM contact to iPhone. So if you want to import your SIM contact to your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you have some contact on your SIM card and you want to move the contact from SIM to your iPhone, here are the steps you need to take. First, go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and then click on contact. On iOS 18, click on apps and then scroll down and click on contact. Then once you selected contact, scroll down the page. Then you should see import SIM contact. Then go ahead and click on that. Once you click on import SIM contact, you want to select where to import the SIM contact to. Import SIM contact to account, iCloud, Gmail, or other Gmail account. Then select it, then you should see importing SIM contact. And once the SIM contact is imported, then you'll be able to access the SIM contact on the account you selected on the phone app. So go ahead, open the phone app, and you can see I have two contacts on my SIM, and then the two contacts are imported to my iPhone. So that is it. So that is basically how to import SIM contact on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.